What's going on, everybody? It's Charrell, the Forex King, and we're back with another powerful live tonight. Before we do anything, before we look at one chart, before we talk about one setup, tonight is not just another live. Tonight, it's not just another trading live. Tonight is trader correction. Tonight is mindset rebuilding. Tonight is weekly preparation. Because let me tell you something. Most traders do not lose their week on Friday. Most traders do not lose because the market is impossible. Most traders lose their entire week on a Monday because emotions take over before discipline ever shows up. Monday is the day greed shows up. Monday is the day fear shows up. Monday is the day impatience show up. Monday is the day traders start forcing money out of the market instead of waiting on confirmations. And by the time Tuesday gets here, they are already trying to recover from damage they created with their own hands. So tonight, we're going to fix that. We are going to talk trader psychology. We are going to talk discipline. We are going to talk risk management. And then we are going to break down the markets the correct way for this week. Everybody coming in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notifications, and type reset in the chat if you know this week has to be different for you. Before we get into this live, I gotta give y'all the word for today. Proverbs 25 verse 28. He that hath no rule over his own spirit is like a city that is broken down and without walls. Let that sink in. A person with no control over themselves has no protection. A person with no discipline has no defense. A person with no emotion control is vulnerable to every attack. And that is exactly what happens in trading. One red candle attacks your emotions. One loss attacks your confidence. One missed setup attacks your patience. One fake out attacks your mindset. And if you have no rule over your own spirit, every market movement controls you. Tonight we are rebuilding traders' walls, emotionally walls, discipline walls, patience walls, risk management walls. Because if you cannot control your spirit, you cannot control your trading account. Now, can I get an amen in this chat tonight? Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen in this chat tonight? Can I get an amen? Now, let's carefully, if you know your biggest problem is not just entries, it is discipline, emotional control, market understanding, and having structure every week. This is exactly why NPM was built. Inside NPM Academy, VIP, signals, the elite tools, and mentorship, we teach traders how to stop gambling and start operating with real plan. If you're serious, message me, reset after this live, join the free NPM trade room, brokers link, and funded account links are all in the description below. So let's talk about it. Your emotions. You got to control your emotions when it comes to trading. It's very important. You got to control your emotions. Control your emotions. Psychology is very important when it comes to trading. Psychology, your mindset. Psychology, your mental mindset. I spelled it. That's very important. Discipline. You need discipline. You need discipline. That's very important when it comes to this. Type a 1 in chat if you understand that. Type a 1 in the chat. Type a 1 in the chat. So you need psychology / mental mindset. That's basically your mindset, your mental. How's your mental? How's your mindset? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? How did you feel when you took that trade? How did you feel before that you took that trade? How did you feel after you took that trade? Was you afraid? Was you feeling confident about taking that trade when you took that trade? Before you took that trade, was you confident about taking that trade? How was your mindset? If you took a trade today, comment in the chat. How was your mindset? How was you feeling when before you took a trade? How was you feeling when you took that trade? How was you feeling after you took that trade? Comment below. I want to see y'all mindset. Comment below in the chat. Type it in the chat. Let me see them. Let me see it in the chat. Let me see it. If you took a trade today, how was your mindset? How did you feel? Was you scared? Was you afraid? Was you confident? That's very important when it comes to trading. Very important. Also, let me explain something to you too as well. When it comes to trading, Sundays and Mondays, I do not like to trade Sundays and Mondays. That's just my trading plan. I don't like to trade Sundays and Mondays because the market hasn't set yet. So the market hasn't even set yet. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, that's when the market should be potentially setting. That's just how I trade. You can use the bot on, when it comes to manual trading. No, use the bot on when it comes to trading Sundays and Mondays. Sundays and Mondays, me personally, it's not best to trade Sundays and Mondays. I don't like to trade Sundays and Mondays. I wait for Tuesday. So tomorrow is Tuesday. We're going to get it in. I'm probably going to do a live tomorrow. I might do London or New York City. I might do New York session, depending on. We'll see. But if you don't have the updates of when I do these lives, please go to the link in the description where it says NPM Trade Room. Please go to the link in the description where it says NPM Trade Room. You're going to get the updates on when I do these lives. You're going to get the updates on everything else as well. That's very important that you join the NPM trade room. Very important. Today I just gave a free giveaway. So I gave a free giveaway. I give back to the community. I do this for the kingdom of God. So I gave one person one NPM Elite Fast Track. So they won. Congratulations to that person. They won NPM Elite Fast Track. You are truly blessed, because what you're gonna get is they get 3 months of NPM Academy, 3 months of NPM VIP Telegram signals. They get the NPM Indicator Suite lifetime, and then they get Venom FX by lifetime. That's amazing. They get all of that for free because they followed the instructions that was required. They followed the instructions, and now they're winners. That's amazing. So I give back to the community when it comes to this. Definitely give back to the community. I give back to the community when it comes to this. So it's very important that you make sure you get in the NPM trade room, because I give back. We do free giveaways. Like every last month I gave this a free month of this NPM trade command. I gave a free month of this. You got access to this. I'm giving away y'all opportunities to capitalize in these markets. I gave this away, a month's free of this. I do this for the kingdom of God. So if you're not tapped in, you're really missing out. If you're not tapped in. So I gave somebody a free month of this. I gave a giveaway. It was only one winner. And then today I did a giveaway. I gave somebody NPM Academy. I gave them NPM Elite Fast Track. So NPM Elite Fast Track, what is that? What is that? NPM Elite Fast Track. NPM Elite Fast Track. So this is what I gave away. If you followed proper directions, you would have won. I mean, you could have potentially won. Only one winner. If you follow directions, you would have got 3 months NPM Academy. That's where I demonstrate my strategy. I have recordings that you can watch. Then they got 3 months of NPM VIP Telegram signals, where I send buy and sell signals. So if you want to take the same trades that I take, they got 3 months of that. This is what somebody won today. It's a blessing. Then they got lifetime of NPM Elite. These are indicators that I created. Elite Indicators Suite. And what that is, that's 5 indicators. 5 indicators. So they got 5 indicators. 5 free indicators. They get that for a lifetime. And they didn't have to pay nothing. All they had to do was just follow directions. Follow directions. They didn't have to pay nothing. They just had to follow directions. I gave a free giveaway. Let me see. And then they got Venom FX bot. That's a bot that I created that automates your trading on MT4, so it automates your trading. So they got all of this for free. They got all of this for free. If you want to get this, the link is in the description below. If you want to get this, the link is in the description below. It's going to say official website. Very important. They got all of this. So they also so they got, this is what they got for free. Let's see, I need to go back. This is what they got for free. Somebody won this. So they got NPM Sniper. So this lights up green, lights up red, telling you to buy and sell. See this NPM Sniper, buy. It sends you alerts on TradingView. So they got that for free. They got this NPM trade dashboard that I created. All of these indicators that I created, that God gave me the gift to create for y'all. See these arrows, these sell arrows? This is from the NPM trend dashboard. So it gives you sell entries. So look, if you would have sold from here all the way down here, that could have been money right there. That could have been profits. From right here all the way down here, that was good profits right there. All the way down there. Ain't that amazing? If you would have followed that, it gives you your the NPM Indicator Pro gives you your TP, your stop loss. It gives you your TP and stop loss. This NPM Indicator Pro. What this is these EMAs, and it gives you this red background. It gives you the green background telling you the red means sell, the red means sell, the green means buy. Red means sell, and look, it's giving an entry right here. Look at this on gold, giving an entry right here. Bearish, sell zone, giving an entry right here. It's telling you sell signal, and it sends alerts right here. Gives you entry. I need to change this. Change this to short. Bam. TP 4469. You can sell all the way to there. 4469. It don't get no better than that. It definitely don't get no better than that. So these indicators are here to help you. I'm here to help you. So I'm here to help you. Hold on. I'm here to help you. So God puts people in your life for a reason. Whether you take heed or you just keep on scrolling and keep on scrolling and miss out, that's on you. That's on you. That's totally on you. Hold on, let me see some. Let me explain to you. Now let's tell the truth. Monday is the most dangerous day for most retail traders. Not because Monday is a bad trading day, but because Monday exposes undisciplined traders. All weekend, traders are doing three things. They are watching motivational videos, they are looking at bills, they are promising themselves this week is going to change everything. So they enter Monday needy, and needy traders make dangerous trade decisions. Write this down. Neediness creates bad entries. When you need money fast, you stop reading price correctly. When you are desperate for this week to be profitable, you start forcing confirmations that are not there. When you are emotionally attached to the outcome, you lose patience. This is why Monday accounts get damaged. People are trying to become rich in one season, trying to make back what they lost last week, trying to prove something, trying to force the market to obey their personal financial pressure. But the market does not care about your bills. The market does not care about your desperation. The market only rewards discipline. How many of y'all know this is the truth? Type truth in the chat. Let me expose the four traders that usually blow Monday. Trader number one, the weekend millionaire. This trader spent all weekend saying this is my week. Comes in Monday trying to make 10% immediately. No patience. Looking at every pair, clicking every setup. Let's go to trader number two, the revenge trader. They lost money last week, so Monday becomes a revenge mission. They are not trading probabilities, they are trading anger. Trader number three, the impatient chaser. Yeah, the impatient chaser. Price has not confirmed, structure has not broken, but they jump in because they are scared to miss money. Let's go to trader number four, the lot size gambler. The lot size gambler. Again, trader number four, the lot size gambler. They risk too much on the very first trade because they want to start strong. One loss immediately damages psychology. If any of those traders describe you, your issue is not strategy, your issue is self-control. The market is exposing your character flaws. That's why some people can know the same settings and setups and still lose, because information without discipline produces nothing. Now let me give you the rules serious traders follow. Rule number one, Monday is a data day, not a greed day. Monday gives clues for institutional movements this week. You observe, you gather information, you stay patient. Rule number two, lowest risk trade of the week should be Monday. 1% max, no hero behavior. Rule number three, maximum 2 trades Monday. You are not machine gunning the market. Rule number four, no revenge trading under any circumstances. If setup misses, stand down. Again, if setup misses, stand down. Rule number five, confirmation over anticipation. We wait, we do not guess. Say this slowly. You are not trying to get rich on Monday. You are trying to stay disciplined enough to trade the rest of the week. That is a huge difference. Now that we fixed the trader, let's fix the chart, because psychology without market preparation still leaves you blind. Tonight, we are going to go over gold, NAS 100, US 30, Bitcoin. All right, let's start with gold. Start with gold. So, looking at gold, you see, let's go to the higher time frame. Let's see. Go to the higher time frame. Looking at it, you see it's selling. The trend is selling on the higher time frame. 4 hour, as I discussed before, when it's under the EMAs, you're in a sell. When it's above the EMAs, you're in a buy. So what is this? This is under the EMAs. So you should be selling. Under the EMAs means sell. Above the EMAs means buy. So since you're under the EMAs, look at that. It's telling you down, bearish, sell. This is the NPM sniper. It's giving you alerts. NPM sniper. This is one of my indicators. NPM sniper telling you sell. So you should be selling. You should not be buying. You should be selling. Type of one in the chat if you understand that. Give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribes. Give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribes. Give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribes. So the direction you should be going is sell trend. You should be selling. You should be selling. So you should not be but you should be selling when it comes to this. When it comes to these markets. It's telling you when I said if it's under the EMAs, you're supposed to be selling. If it's above the EMAs, and it even has the red background telling you the potential sale. Type of one in the chat if you understand that. You should be selling when it comes to this. Give me just a second. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So it's under the EMAs, as you can see. So potential sale. You should be looking for potential sales when it comes to this. Again, you should be looking for potential sales. I don't trade Asian session. London and New York is best for me. So gold loves to fake impatient traders out early in the week. This is why emotional entries get punished. We need structure. We need confirmations. We need patience. So who in here trades gold? Type of 1 in the chat if you trade gold. Type of 1 in the chat if you trade gold. Who in here trades gold? Type of 1 in the chat. Type of 1 in the chat if you trade gold. I don't see no ones in here. I don't see no ones. Look at this. It has the red background. It's under the EMAs. You need 3 to 4 confirmations when you get in a trade. I take mines on a 5-minute, but even take mines on the 5-minute time frame. See, these red backgrounds tells you potential sale. Potential sale. These red backgrounds tell you potential sale. It's tell you potential sale. So on the 4-hour, you see that it's under the EMAs. So we're looking for sales. We're not looking for buys. We're looking for sales. But again, I said I don't trade on Asian session, but we look for potential sales on gold. Now look at let's look at NAS 100. Let's look at NAS 100. Let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100 has been buying, but right now, this is it says buy, bullish, buy, but right now I wouldn't suggest buying right now. It's not looking. So say for instance, it's above the EMAs. Like I said, you're looking for buys. Above the EMAs, above these EMAs, you're looking for buys. Above the EMAs, you're looking for buys. Above the EMAs, you're looking for buys. Below the EMAs, you're looking for sales. So see this NPM sniper? It's telling you potential buys, but I wouldn't buy during this during Asian session. London session, New York session is the best times for me. London session, New York session is the best times. So you will wait. Basically, you can wait on the 4 hours, so you can wait till it goes above here, above this EMA, and then we got the market NPM market prediction. What the NPM market prediction? What I created, it basically tells you. It basically tells you uh this green bubble is telling you, predicting that it's gonna go up. When you get the red bubble, it's telling you to potentially going down. I created this indicator, all these indicators. I gave all of this away to somebody today. Somebody was blessed today to get these indicators because I gave a giveaway. I give back to the community. You got to take advantage of this. You said my mic is low. Hold on. Can you hear me now? I have to turn this down. Can you hear my mic now? Who is this said that your mic is low? Can you hear me now? Type of one in the chat if you can hear me now. You should be able to hear me now. So what I was saying is I did a giveaway. I gave a giveaway that was an hour ago. I gave a giveaway. I gave all of this for free. All you had to do was follow simple directions. If you was in the NPM trade room, you would have followed the directions and you could have potentially won. So they got NPM, they was blessed to get NPM Sniper, NPM Trend Dashboard. They get this green background NPM Indicator Pro, where it has this green background telling you to buy. The red background tells you to sell trend. It's color coded. They got the EMAs. This is part of NPM trade. This is part of NPM Indicator Pro. So what the NPM Indicator Pro is, it has the green background. See these EMAs and it's clear. That's part of NPM Indicator Pro. And then it gives you your TP and stop loss. So I need to change this on the NPM Indicator Pro. So you're gonna have to change this when you're going for shorts. That's sales. When you're going for buys, that's long. So so this is a potential loans. So we would change it to loans, and it's going to give you your TP. It's going to give you your stop loss. These are all the indicators that I made, that God blessed me to be able to create for y'all. If you take advantage of it, that's if you take advantage of it. If you don't take advantage, that's on you. So you can get all of these indicators if you sign up for NPM Elite Indicators. If you sign up for NPM, it's called NPM Elite Fast Track. I just created that NPM Elite Fast Track, and what that is you get 3 months of NPM Academy, 3 months of VIP Telegram signals. You get all of these 5 indicators: this NPM Sniper, NPM Trend Dashboard, NPM Indicator Pro, NPM RSI. What'd you say? What's the initial cost to get in? The initial cost, you're talking about the NPM NPM Elite Fast Track that I'm talking about. I can't see your let me see. I gotta see. What's the initial cost to get in a US 100 trade? 100 US 100 trade. That depends on your broker and your balance. That depends on your broker imbalance. Whatever broker you go with. So say for instance, I highly suggest suggest uh whenever you're doing this, uh highly suggest doing at least, it depends on your balance. So I wouldn't suggest you to go in with $50 on US 30. No, that US 30, they probably wouldn't even let you go in on that. I would suggest at least uh 500 to 1,000 when you trade in US NAS 100. If you're gonna go that low, that's the minimum. 200, if you're gonna go real low, minimum 200 or whatever. Brokers, they let you deposit $100, at least you $100, but I wouldn't suggest you to go in NAS 100 with $100. At least 500 to a thousand. That's my suggestion. If you're gonna go low, that depends on your balance. If you want to go higher, the more the better. You said okay, thank you. That answers your question. Great. Also join my NPM trade room. Join my NPM trade room. Join my NPM trade room. Make sure you join my NPM trade room. If you haven't joined my NPM trade room, uh, if you join my NPM trade room. So in the link in the description below, it's gonna say NPM trade room. Also, if you want to join my social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, subscribe to this channel. I highly suggest you subscribe to this channel. Where is that? Where's NPM trade room? So where's NPM trade room? You have to go to the link in the description. So you're gonna go to the link in the description. It's going to say join the free NPM trade room. Also, if you want to join my Facebook, my TikTok, my Instagram, the link is going to be in the bio. So you got to go to my channel, go to this channel. It's going to say the link is going to be in the bio. Going to click that link. The link is going to be in the bio. Does that answer your question? How you say it? Bio 2.0? Does that answer your question? Type of 1, type of yes, no. Does it answer your question? Let me know if it answers your question. Let's get back to NAS 100. So NAS 100 was you said yes, sir? All right, good. So NAS, also if you want to let me tell y'all this, if you want to sign up with the broker that I use, it's that first link in the description. It's gonna say the broker. Also, if you want to join the prop firm that I use, it's the second and third link. For Forex or futures, that's the prop firm that I use. That's an awesome prop firm. Awesome prop firm. I highly suggest you join. When you join, you get a discount. You use my discount code CFK10, you get a discount. Just from using my joining my link and signing up for a challenge, you get a discount. It should put it in there when you click my link, the second or the third link. It should put it in the discount blank spot. It should say CFK when you have to put in the discount code, it should say CFK10. If it doesn't say CFK10, you're gonna have to put it in where it says the discount code. So let's get back to NAS 100. So looking at this, the monthly, we're in a buy trend. See this arrow, NPM trend dashboard? It's lighting up. Look at that. That's beautiful. When you get this lighting up, sniper lighting up, it's telling you that it's potential buy. We're in a potential buy. Look at that. EMA, bullish, buy zone, buy signal. This is where you look at where it says buy signal. When you see that buy signal and all of this light up green, that's buys. When it light up red, that's sell signals. Again, when it light up red, that's sell signals. Even when this lights up red, it's sell signals. So we might have a potential buy on NAS 100. But I wouldn't buy on Asian session. I do not trade on Asian session. If you trade on Asian session, more power to you. That's great. If you trade on Asian session, that's more power to you. But Asian session is too slow for me. I like to trade London, New York session. Again, I like to trade London and New York session. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. See this green bubble? That's market prediction. That's this. Even the market prediction sends you alerts. It's called MPI, market prediction. It sends you alerts. So you can go right here. Go right here. Where it says add alert. And then add alert. Hold on, you add alert. Sorry, give me a second. One of my students is inboxing me. Let's see. So you would add add alert. So basically you would add alert, and then see it gives you buy sell buy signal, gives you sell signal. So you can add alert for the market prediction. You can do that as for the sniper as well. The sniper, you can click this, add alert. It's gonna say NPM sniper buy. That's why you get all of these NPM sniper buy and sniper sales. It's gonna send these alerts. Also, we had an NPM trade command. NPM trade command. We got the NPM trade command. That's the ultimate. That's monthly. That's my best that's my best indicator that I have. It's loading up. It's going slow. Let's see. I don't know why it's not. Why is it doing that? NPM trade command. This is the NPM trade command. This is the NPM trade command. So what this does is, this is my brand new indicator that this is on futures. So it lights up green, lights up red. See, lights up green, lights up red. It gives you your entry, your stop loss, your TP1, TP2, TP3. It gives you your stop loss, TP entry, TP1, TP2, TP1, TP2, TP3. This is what I use to send my signals out. This is what I use to send my signals out. Again, this is what I use to send my signals out. So type of 1 in the chat. If you understand, type of 1 in the chat. This is what I use. Type of 1 in the chat. This is what I use to look at that. It gives you it got trend. This is pretty much me inside of this indicator. The other ones are great. This is the one that I send my signals. I use for my signals. I created this. Of course, I know how to trade without. I'm the one that created this. I know how to trade without this. I made my own signals without these indicators. But I just launched these indicators. I just launched this indicator. The other ones I launched like a couple of months back. I launched the other ones a couple of months back. When did I launch those other indicators? Let me see. I gotta see when I launched those in the other indicators. When did I launch those other indicators? If I can find it, let me see. Oh, so the ones that you see, these. So these, I launched these, the Impian Sniper. This one came out like a month, 2 months ago. But I launched the rest of these like 8 months ago. 8 months ago. And then I came out with this, the NPM trade command. That was like a week ago that I just launched this NPM trade command. So this is fresh. This is a month old. It's very powerful. This is very powerful indicator. If you want to get this indicator, the link is in the description, where it says official website. You have to go where it says official website. Official website. And then you're going to have to go where it says NPM trade command. It's monthly. Now this is monthly. This is monthly. This is monthly. So, and it's very powerful. It's well worth it. But if you don't take the opportunity to get this, you're really missing out. Because I have people that's passing prop firms with this, getting payouts. One of my students, he's loving this. Another student, he's loving this indicator, passing prop firms. I got one student, he passed his prop firm. He passed multiple prop firms. He passed like 2 prop firms, and then he got funded, and then he got payouts just by using this. This is pretty much me inside of this. This is me inside of this. My strategy inside of this. Very powerful. And it's giving you the signal. It gives you signals. It don't get no better than that. It gives you signals. I just launched this. It gives you signals. Let's go back to NAS 100 though. We gotta go back to NAS 100. Oh, that's where I was initially at. Let's see. Oh, this is supposed to be MYM. Oh, let me change it. Go to NAS 100. Look at this on the daily. Look at that. That's an uptrend. Look how far it went up. It started. Look at this from here all the way up to here. That's an uptrend. This is an uptrend from here all the way up to here. And it's still going. Amazing. It's still going. So NAS 100, an uptrend. It's an uptrend. Hold on. Hold on. Hello? Oh, let me see. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe. Wait. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe. So this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. So as you can see on the daily, that's an uptrend going up. Then you go to the 4-hour, it's lighting up. Look at that. Bullish, green, green, green. Higher time frame buys, all green. Entry 27767.39. That's on the 4-hour time frame. So that's on the 4-hour time frame. 27767. So once it gets up to here, it's giving you entry, pretty much giving you entry. Give you your entry. This is what I created, NPM trade command. This is what I created. So say for instance, the entry is, let me see. What I say, 27767.39. So say for instance, you wait, say you set a buy stop right here. You set a buy stop, but I traded on the 5-minute. I take the NPM trade command on the 5-minute. So say you set a buy stop right here, and then let it, a buy stop right here, and then boom, let it go up to, what's the TP? 29. Well, that's life. Let me see, 29. These are one of my older TPs. So you can use these TPs, or these right here, 29216. 29216. Wait, let me see. $29,216. $29,767.28. $29,767.28. So say you set up a buy stop right there. It looks like a good type of one in chat. Looks like a good buy stop. I use the 5-minute time frame though. I trade on the 5-minute time frame, but if you was doing the 4-hour, it would be a good buy stop. Pretty much gives you your entry, gives you your TP1, TP2, TP3, TP1, TP2, TP3. It gives you your stop loss. On NAS 100, it gives you your TP1, TP2, TP3. This is what I created. Very powerful. This is very powerful. This is very powerful. Very powerful. Look at this. So you say you want to buy stop right here. Looks like this would be a good buy stop if you was to take this trade. You're welcome. Giving y'all entries. Let me see. And that's on the 4-hour time frame. That's on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Did I put the 20, let me see. Yeah, that's on the 4-hour time frame. So say for instance, let's see. Let me see something. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. This is let me see. Hold on. I don't know why. Let me see. Yeah, so this is on the 4-hour time frame, and you see the confidence level 100%. Confidence level 100%. So the confidence level is 100%. So it shows you the confidence level. So when you're taking that trade, you can be 100% confident that that's just like when you taking the trade, the confidence level, you got to have a confidence that potentially it can go up or down or whatever direction you're taking it. Type of 1 in the chat. Type of 1 in the chat. What time is it? It's 8:17 my time. 8:17 my time. My time. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Hold on. Let me see something. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. So you see on the 4 hours giving you potential buy. Pretty much giving you potential buy. Pretty much giving you potential buy. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The link is in the bio. Again, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The link is in the bio. So we know that NAS could potentially be going potentially, like I said, could potentially, don't quote me on that. It gives you your on the 4 hour, like I said, it gives you your potential gives you your potential. Let me see where it said it was saying 27,677. I mean 27 27,767 27,767.39 0.39. .39. We shall see. We shall see.
Order filled. Order filled.
We shall see. Let me see. Oh. Let me see. Where we at? MNQ. That's right. MNQ. Gave you entry 27,871. 27,871. 2871. 0.25. This one you wouldn't because it's blocked and mixed, so it has to be all line green. Let's see. Nah. This will have to go. Let's see. 871. 871.25. If it goes up to here, this could turn green. So this is on futures. This is on futures, as I said. Let me see. Let me see. So it shows it could go up to 28,979. 28,979. $28,979. Oh, 20, let me see. 27,871. What I said, 28,979. 28,979. 28,979. $28,979. Okay. Got to trust the process. You can do a buy stop. So, say for instance, you want to do a buy stop. I don't know why. Can't see my screen. Does everybody see my screen? Everybody see my screen. So yeah, it gives you your entry, your TP1, TP2, TP3. Gives you your entry, your TP1, TP2, TP3. Gives you the stop loss. Whether it's Forex or futures, you can capitalize on this. Forex or futures, you can capitalize on this. So strongly suggest so say for instance you do it gives you an entry, says 827.871.25, and then it gives you a stop loss. This is on futures. Now we looked at NAS 100 with NAS 100. I'm about to read through this. Load up. Now if we do it on we look at NAS 100 on the 5-minute, it tells you your entry, your entry, your TP1, TP2, TP3, and your stop loss. Gives you your TP1, TP2, TP3 stop loss. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, the NAS 100 trade. I already sent a signal out for this. NAS 100 trade is running. NAS 100 trade is already running. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And I just dropped a new video. It's called Why Serious Traders Are Moving to Hero FX. That's the broker in the link in the description. Click on my link. Please click on my link. Because when you click on my link and you register under my link, the first link, when you make your first deposit, you get access to my VIP Telegram signals. You get access to my VIP Telegram signals. So when you register under that link, the first link, you get access to my VIP Telegram signals. Who don't want access to the trades that I take buying and sell? So if I take a buy and sell trade, you can be in that same trade. But you got to make that deposit and you got to be actively trading on that account. If you don't actively trade on that account, when you sign up, after you sign up on that broker, the broker that I use, you will be removed after 30 days. So that's on you. Take advantage of this. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. Again, give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. So you see this? It gives you buy bullish. Look, buy bullish. Let's see, we got it. This is on the 4-hour time frame. It gives you your bullish, buy bullish, higher time frame, green. It gives you your entry. It gives you your stop loss. Man, this is an amazing indicator. I use this for my signals. Before I had these indicators, I was making my own signals. So I created this for y'all. God gave me the gift to create this for y'all. If y'all don't take advantage of these tools that I provide, then you're missing out. You're gonna miss out. If you don't take advantage of the tools that I provide, I'm here to help y'all. I don't do this for me. I do this for the kingdom of God. I do this to help y'all, to change y'all's life through God, through Jesus Christ, through Yahweh. So if you're not taking advantage of this, that's on you. I did a free giveaway today. Bless somebody with a free giveaway. I bless somebody with a free giveaway. Bless somebody with a free giveaway. I bless somebody with a free giveaway. Let me see. Yeah, I did a free giveaway and I blessed somebody. They are going to be blessed for a lifetime because they get these indicators. They get these indicators for free. They got this all they had to do is just follow directions. All they had to do is follow directions. If you don't follow directions, that's on you. If you don't follow directions, that's on you. So they follow proper directions and they got access to my NPM Elite Fast Track. All because they follow directions. So I've been giving last month, we've been giving a free giveaway every month. You never know. We might give a free giveaway. And it could be potentially you that wins. Or you can just get the indicators, go by the indicators, and capitalize and see what God has in store for you. So I would strongly suggest you to go get the indicators or join NPM Elite Fast Track where you get all the indicators, the indicators, except this. This is monthly. This is monthly. Strongly suggest you get the indicators. Let me see something. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. London session should start. London session gonna start at 3 a.m. Central. We're in Asian session, so Asian session. I don't like to trade Asian session. I do not like to trade Asian session. I do not like to trade Asian session. Let me see. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna wrap this up. These are the indicators. If you want to get these indicators, the link is in the description. You go to official website. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The link is in the bio if you want to get the broker that I use. The link is in the description. The link is in the description. The first link, that's the broker that I use. The second and third link, that's the prop firm that I use. When you use that prop firm, you get a discount. My discount code is CFK10. Capital C, capital F, capital K, numbers 10. So CFK10. That's my discount code. If you want to get these indicators, the link is in the description below. Official website. If you want to join NPM Elite Fast Track, where you get all of these for a lifetime, and you get 3 months of NPM Academy, 3 months of NPM VIP Telegram signals, a lifetime of Venom FX bot, a bot that trades for you automatically, you can get that. This is Charrell, the Forex King. Let's go.